Hey guys, it's Sleeping Martian again. I'm here with Megan Nasty from twitch.tv/Megan Nasty with two Y's. So today we're going to do some PvP, a little bit different PvP. A guy named Kappamari made a YouTube video on how to kind of get like a bird's eye view, GTA 5, Diablo styled, angle in Dark Souls 3. So I thought it'd be kind of cool to do some PvP with it. So fuck it, why not? So yeah, without further ado, let's get it going. All right. Flask up. Yep. Let's try to go. All right, we're in our PvP area, so time to get buttered. Ah. There you are. Pancake. Fuck yeah. This is hard. Actually, do better this time. Shit. Nope, nope, nope. Oh, first death. All right. You ready? Oh. All right, I see how it is. No bowing, nothing. No honor. Come on now. That's all I'm gonna keep. I'm gonna keep on doing this because this is all I got. Fuck yeah. Oh, this is so hard. Oh, this is better. All right, I got a hang of it. Oh shit, lightning spears. Oh, got her in a corner. Oh, this is it. This is game over. GG for her. Oh shit, I'm pretty close. Oh, there she is. Oh, if I got hit by a lightning spear, I'd be so bummed. Ah. Oh, and there it is. GG. GG. All right, let's go. Fuck. I can't even. Oh man, this is horrible. There we go. All right. No, unlocked. Shit. It kind of like locks you in if like you go to a certain direction. Oh, did I get you? Yeah, it did. Hell yeah. I'm doing like no damage to you, like 47. Oh, I'm gonna try to get a backstab if I can. If I get a backstab, I'm gonna be lit. It's gonna be lit. Oh, what are you doing? What's that move? Oh, oh, I see it. Oh shit! Get buttered. Oh man. Oh man, this is great. It's kind of cheesy. Yes, please back yourself in the corner. Oh damn, no. Oh no, please. All right, there we go. Actually, might win this. Oh wait, spoke too soon. Oh yeah, yeah, get buttered. Yeah, even locked on at all. Oh, fuck, come on. There we go. All right, guys, first fucking win. First win, all right. All right, so now that I killed Megan, I'm gonna try this against some randos. All right, I'm not sure if it's gonna work, but let's go play it against some randos who are not in this view. This guy has no clue how tactically sound this strategy is gonna be. All right, let me bow, for honor. Bonga butter his biscuits like he's a Cracker Barrel. Yeah. I just want to get one hit. If I get him to half health, I'll figure it'd be a win for me. Oh shit. Oh, come on, wrong way. Oh, shit. Should I flask? Just kidding. Redundant question. And there we go. I got one hit. Got one hit on the dude. Alright, guys. In terms of feat of strength, this is going to be the equivalent to Luke taking down the Death Star in episode 4. Alright, sheer skill right here. Oh shit, got first hit. Roll, roll, which way? Fuck, dicks, and never mind. Alright guys, so that's it for me. So that was pretty cool. It seems like when I verse randos, there's no fucking hope for me at all. But who knows, maybe some sort of challenge run or something with this, I don't know, sunbrowing, whatever. So I hope everyone has a good fucking day. Follow me on twitch.tv/sleepingmartian. Follow Megan on twitch.tv/Megan Nasty with 2 Y's. Subscribe on YouTube, like, do whatever. Have a good day. Try it out. Have fun. Don't flask.